Everything starts with opening or creating a new file. Don't think this is easy. There are still tricks and tips that can make this process smoother and more efficient. There are several methods to open a file. Go to top menu, click File and Open. Click Open on the left side. And click Select one in this area. The shortcut is O. You can try Ctrl O if it's a PC or Command O if it's a Mac. Once you are in this page selecting a file to open, you can always multi-select different files. After a file been opened, you can open this file again in the recent. All the files you that opened recently will be shown on this list. To clear the recent list, you can always go to File and Open Recent, then click Clear Recent File List. Another way to open a file is by dragging. You can drag a file into Photoshop icon to open, or drag it into the main area. But if you drag a file into an opened file like this, it will be a new layer in the opened file. You need to drag this file into this area to open a new window. If you are in your Windows or Mac operating system, you can right-click, then choose Open with Photoshop to open this file. Remember, you can also multi-select different files here. Second, to create a new file. Go to top menu, click File and New. Or you can click New on the left side. The shortcut is N. You can try Ctrl N if it's a PC or Command N if it's a Mac. Next, here are 8 different presets. Recent is all the new file that you created recently. In Save, you can put different file settings that you use frequently. In Photo, Print, Art and Illustration, Web, Mobile, and Film and Video are all the settings that Photoshop has prepared for you in advance based on commonly used standards. The most basic Photoshop file setting formats are file name, size, resolution, and color mode. I will explain all these settings in a slightly more advanced video in the future. That's for today's video. Thanks for watching. In this series of videos, we will go through everything in Photoshop in a most simple and clear way, and also try our best to answer everything in the comment to help.